Hey guys, welcome. I'm going to do a quick ATC update. I remachined a couple parts so they fit a little bit better and work a little nicer. Still working on breakout board with the Modbus interface and the microcontroller. Hopefully next weekend we'll have the first prototype of that on the machine so we can test it. And then we're going to get the first version 1 boards printed up, all the circuitry mounted to it. And I'm sure there's probably going to be a version 2 shortly after, but you know, that's electronics for you, especially when you're making them your own from scratch. But I'll bring you in a little closer so you can take a look. So I remachined the base plate here, so my sensor is now in the appropriate position. Power's on, so the stepper has power. So this bearing's now a 1 thou press fit on the plate, half a thou press fit on the shaft, so there's very little movement. It's nice and stiff. This is how the stepper is mounted. I think in the future I'll make this plate just a little bit longer. I wanted this stepper to be able to pivot a little bit for the belt. I don't know if you can see in there, but the belt is hitting, but that's why I chamfer it here. And the belt's tight in both directions, so I don't see it being an issue, but that I only have so much I only bought so much of this bar stock. I need to make it next version a little bit wider so I can move this stepper over and in line with that rather than being offset, or tilted a little bit more in that direction. But we'll see how that works out. And then what I got mounted in the box here, so we got main pressure sensor. So this is main air pressure in. We got drawbar release, drawbar engage, pressure sensors, so we know when the tool is released and we know when the tool is grabbed. We got some of the valves wired in. I temporarily wired a toggle switch to the drawbar so I can do manual changes and still use the mill until the circuitry's done. I got machined up a plastic housing. I don't know if you can see that or not. Plastic housing there for the relay board behind everything here. All wires breaking out for that. Got my sweet isolated DC bus. And then we got control valves, so the cylinder in and cylinder out don't slam the tools, you know, forward and back. And so that's to the air cylinder and to the air to the mist coolant up over the top here. Come around. So we got our air coming out, air going up to the drawbar, and then mist coolant shut off, mist coolant flow control, and my janky mist coolant bottle because, you know, it's easy to mount up there. So that's the build so far. Hopefully here in another week or two I'll have some more video of the build. And cue the machining montage. Go!